Gue Meliani PPA, NIM 0306243239.
My name is Tri Rizky with NIM 0306243224.
Saya Sultan Salim dengan NIM 0306243201.
My name is Tiara Junita Iva.
In this video, we will present tense or journal with a title, Modal, Verbs in Academic, Media, and Scientific Writing, a functional comparison.
Modal verbs such as can, must, will, and should not only have sentence structure but also convey the weather, attitude, and intention. Their usage varies depending on the type of text. Academic, used to suggest and build arguments logical. Media, used to pursue and critique public issue. Scientific, used cautelous to maintain objective. This study compares these three genres to examine how modal verbs reflect the purpose and context of writing. A research problem. This study, titled Modal Verbs in Academic, Media, and Scientific Writing, a functional comparison, seeks to answer the following question. 1. In what ways do modal verb function differently across academic, easy, media, editorials, and scientific abstract? 2. What communicative purpose do modal verbs serve in each type of writing? 3. How do modal verbs reflect the writer's stage, intention, and engagement with the target audience in each genre? B. Research objective. Identify and compare the use of modal verb can, must, should, will, etc. across academic, media, and scientific texts. Examine the functional roles that modal verbs play in expression, obligation, possibility, probability, and evaluation. Explore how modal usage varies based on genre, specific, communicative goals, particularly in relation to writer-reader interaction and stage.
The significance of the study. This study contributes to functional grammar and discourse analysis by offering a comparative view of modal verbs across three prominent writing genres. It enhances our understanding of how modality functions as a tool for meaning making, positioning, and textual purpose. The hypothesis, based on preliminary observation and existing literature, the following hypotheses are professed. 1. Academic writing tends to a strong modal verb such as must, to strengthen arguments and convey recommendation. 2. Media are editorial writing more often as modal verb to persuade, evaluate, and convey critical opinions. 3. Secularly writing verbs weaker modal verbs such as can, might, to mention a natural tone, indicate tentative findings, and avoid overgeneralization.
A discussion. 1. Comparative analysis of modal verbs usage in academic, media, and scientific texts. Modal verbs are used differently depending on the genre. Academic easy use can, should, will to present arguments logically and politically. Media editorials use must, would, should assertively to pursue, criticize, or provoke. Scientific abstract use might, can carefully to report finding objectively and avoid overstatement. Overall, modal verbs reflect the writer, sentence tone, and relationship with the audience. 2. Semantic and pragmatic function of modal verbs. Modal verbs serve to main function. Semantic, literal meaning like possibility, might, obligation, must, or recommendation, should. Pragmatic, implied meaning such as caution, politeness, or emphasis based on context. In academics, they help maintain respectful tone. In media, they express strong opinions, and in sentence, they support careful, neutral claims. Studies show that mastering this function is especially important for non-native readers to use models effectively and appropriately. F. Research methodology. This study used a qualitative descriptive approach by analyzing secondary data from 3 journal articles. Reilly 2020 Model First in Academic Essay, Haq and Mahdi Model First in Media Editorials, Su and Zhang 2021 Model First in Scientific Abstract. Reader then collecting new data, the research synthesis existing finding to compare model verbs across genres. Their analysis focus on 3 aspects. 1. Grammatical and functional rules. 2. Rhetorical use to express sentence and intention. 3. Impact on tone, credibility, and audience perception. This method allows a focused examination of how modal verbs function semantically, pragmatically, and interpersonally in various written contexts.
G. Result and discussion. This study show that modal verb like can, must, should, might are used differently in academic essay, media editorial, and scientific abstract depending on context, audience, and purpose. 1. Academic essay. On this type of model, the user are mostly non-native English learning with common models. This can will solve the purpose of this model is to suggest, recommended, or express possibility, to present arguments that are logical but caution, to avoid absolute claim and maintaining a respectful tone. Example, this solution can solve the problem. This show potential without claiming currently. Modal verb helps students sound credible without being too forceful. 2. Media editorial. This type of model is often used to journalists of opinion reader, and the common model is must will. So the purpose of this model is to persuade and influence public opinion, to criticize, demand action, or express urgency, to present strong and clear editorial sentence. Example, the government must act now. This is not just advice, it's a rhetorical push for immediate action. Modal verbs here are direct and persuasive, aiming to provoke thought. 3. Scientific abstract. This type is used from research of scientists, and the common models is my, can, might. So the purpose of this type is to show tentative findings, to remain objective and avoid exaggeration, to reflect uncertainty in scientific claims. Example, this result might suggest a correlation. This common discussion tone protect credibility and scientific integrity. Modal verbs are used to present results carefully, not assertively. This rather a tone, position, and purpose, academic, balanced, and respectful. media, persuasive and bold, scientific, caution and precise. Understanding how modal verbs are used across that genre helps reader communicate more actively and appropriately to their target audience.